In front of me is Poco C61 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit security and privacy. Then tap on device unlock. Hit face and fingerprint unlock here and enter your screen lock. Now you need to tap face unlock. Tap on I agree. Select start. Tap on next. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!